Mistake 1. I was in a hurry. I didn't check to see how much battery I had left. I assumed it was 100%. It was 67%. I didn't let the drone establish its home location. It did later, 20 meters out into the river. My return to home elevation was still set at what I would use to clear tall trees. This might not mean anything to a non-drone flighter, but is essential practice, which, because I was in a hurry, I didn't follow. If you follow the flight, it starts off normally as it flies towards the center of the river to get in position for a beautiful shot of downtown Porto. The wind catches it and starts blowing it down the river. Slightly panicked, I hit return to home. As you can see in the video, the drone rises very high and then starts coming back towards the land. As it approaches what it thinks is home, it starts downward. How far down? Stay tuned for Portugal Adventure, coming to a YouTube channel near you soon.